Okay, so in our Python project, let's create a new Python file and name it assignment operations. In the script, I will define only one variable, x equals 10, and let's see some assignment operations. X plus equals 2. This is the equivalent to x equals x plus 2. Let's print it. Okay, and let's do another assignment operation. X asterisk equals 2. And this is the equivalent to x equals x and 2. Let's print it. And let's try to run our script. Okay, and we can see that the result of our first assignment operations is 12, and the last operation 24.